To get Snapchat Plus subscription on both Android and iPhone, you need to follow a series of steps. Snapchat Plus offers additional features like customization options, exclusive themes, and priority support. So here is a guide on how to get one. Firstly, all you have to do is open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Now tap on the settings or gear icon available in the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on the settings, you will get to see Snapchat Plus section available on the top. Tap on the Snapchat Plus to access the subscription option. Now, once you tap on it, you will see a prompt with the pricing details for Snapchat Plus. Now all you have to do is select the subscription plan, monthly, yearly, that works best for you. And after selecting the plan, you will be prompted to confirm your payment via your Apple ID. Use Apple Pay, credit card or other available payment methods to complete the purchase. Once your payment is processed, you will be granted access to the exclusive features of Snapchat Plus. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.